Hey friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to sort the rainbow color dinosaurs. The first color is red. One red dinosaur. One orange dinosaur. One yellow dinosaur. One green dinosaur. One blue dinosaur and one violet dinosaur. Let's start counting the dinosaurs. 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 8 red color dinosaurs. 2 orange color dinosaur. 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Yellow color. 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Next one is green color. Green color dinosaur. 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 8 green color dinosaurs. Next one is blue color. Blue color dinosaur. 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 8 blue color dinosaurs. And the final one is violet color dinosaur. 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 8 violet color dinosaurs. Now we have rainbow color dinosaurs. I hope you all learned and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more learning videos. Thanks for watching.